Hi and welcome. It seems that you're ready to get started with techShip. Let's give you a quick tour through it. Step 1 of launching with techShip is setting up your client profiles. Even though you'll spend most of your time processing and printing orders to techShip, upon first use, you'll have to spend some time on a one-time setup of your clients. Creating different client profiles provides you with the flexibility to set up different carrier accounts for them, with client-specific behaviors. For example, you might want to ship via UPS, FedEx, and DHL for one of your clients, while for another, you might only want to ship via UPS. Or maybe, for one of them, you're going to be rate shopping, while others might already provide which carriers and services they want to use for each order. You also have flexibility to choose which references you want printed in the labels, if you're going to be printing package slips together with a carrier label, marking up orders processed through the accounts, and much more. Step 2 is indicating how you're going to use these accounts. Are you going to be the shipper and get billed for the shipper? Or are you going to do the shipping but a third-party account needs to be billed for it? Are you going to use address validation? If so, what type of validation are you going to use? You can define all that through here, as well as setting up return labels, export and customs information, and anything else specifically related to the carrier you're setting up. Step 3, if needed, is setting up your carrier mappings. You can tell techShip how you or your customers refer to carrier service codes and map them to specific service code. Even if you have several ways to refer to a service, for example, FedEx Ground being referred as such, as FXGR, free shipping, or something else, you can funnel those into a single service on techShip side. Once your clients are set up, you'll be ready to go to start processing your orders and printing courier labels. Depending on how you will process orders, either by batch or one by one, it's which application would be more efficient to use. If you batch orders in your WMS, we strongly suggest that you use the web portal. By doing so, you'll have to indicate in which way you'd like to import your orders, if getting the carrier information from the WMS, rate shopping, or assigning or forcing a carrier through techShip, specifying the reference, importing the order, and process and print the labels. If your orders already have weights and dimensions, you can use fast import, but if you need to specify those through here, you can step in before importing and specify them on techShip's side with predefined boxes or typing the values yourself. If you process orders one by one, you can still do it through the web portal, but we strongly suggest to use TechDynamics Desktop Client, which is specifically designed for express processing. If your orders don't have weights or dimensions, you can use a USB scale with an optional dimensioner to get those when processing. You can manage your progress and handle exceptions by accessing the batches or orders history views, being able to filter orders by all possible references as well as tracking and manifest numbers. Either for internal controls to even error correction, reprocessing, reprinting, or reviewing rate shop rates, this will surely come in handy. You can also void orders if the service to be used needs to be changed. Download the orders information after processing if you need quick reports with tracking numbers and other information. After you have finished processing your orders, you'll have to manifest to confirm your shipments to the carrier. Complete the request for pickup and update and close your orders in your WMS. Manifesting is also simple and straightforward. You can also keep track of your already manifested batches through the manifest history view. From it, you can download quick reports of the orders related to that manifest and download a paper manifest if the carrier uses them. To wrap up the tour, you can generate different reports through techShip by specifying date thresholds or choosing to only include orders that have been manifested or any order for which a label was generated. Well, I hope our tour has been useful. So it's time to get started with techShip. Happy shipping and enjoy your techShip experience.